Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start a blog in 2025. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, we have to create a blog account and I'm going to show you how we can do that. You can visit theblogger.com. You just need to type in blogger.com like this. And then this website will appear on your browser, and then you need to create blogger account. Okay, actually I have created a blog, so I just need to open my blog on theblogger.com. Okay guys, this is my account and I have already posted this story of my 2020, and I'm going to show you guys how we can create new post. We just need to click on new post if you want to create a post, and we can start to add our story or maybe our essay, or it's up to you. You can fill the post with something that you like, and for me I'm using this blog to write my diary, so writing my story here. Okay, and once you're ready to publish your post, you just need to click on publish. Okay, and you can edit your tags here like in Word or Microsoft Word, and you just need to click on publish. But before it, you can see the preview of your post. Okay, so this is the preview. All right, and I'm going to go back, and you can customize the theme for your blog. Just go to the theme if you want to change it, and I'm using the simple dark. You can use the free theme right here. Okay, that's easy, right? You just need to visit theblogger.com and you can create your account and start to post your story or your experience, or it's up to you here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to start a blog in 2025. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!